Okay, so my first question is that everyone has logged into Tinkercad, right? Okay, so all right, great. Let's continue then. So let's start with the Arduino board. Here we have it. Then the resistors. We will be needing two resistors. And then, oh yes, the photoresistor, also known as LDR. And now the light bulb. So I hope everyone is with me. Okay, then let's start the fun activity, which is building our circuit. So everyone follow me, please. So the first thing to do is that we first connect the LDR. You can choose any color of your jumper wires, which are over here, as you can see, and automatically you will be able to get the color you want. For example, I'll be doing any random color orange, and here I start, and here I go all the way to this pin. So hopefully everyone is with me. And now I want to tell you something about these different pins in the Arduino. So first of all, we have the analog pins, and these pins are used for sensors like the LDR. The LDR is a light sensor, so we put its first terminal in the, we say, analog pin. And now for the second terminal, which we also call leg of the LDR, we will connect it with this. We go like this, and then all the way over here. Okay, and the red wire that I connected right now is called the power pins. And here are the different kinds of powers. And for now, we're going to use the 5-volt power for our project. So, anyways, then we will take our resistor. Okay, one more thing that, you know these pins? Wait a second to this. Sorry. As I was saying, you see these pins? Actually, you can, these are all analog pins, so you can apply to whatever you want. But I've done it A4, for example. You can also do A2. It won't do any effect. These are just names. So okay, is everyone with me? Hopefully everyone is with me, I guess. So let's continue now. Anyways, we will now do. I want you all to click on your resistor and rotate it. This is the rotation icon. You can rotate any component using this icon. See? Like this. Now, we use any jumper wire color you want or like. It's really your choice. So I'm going to be using turquoise and I'm going to connecting this pin to this resistor. Okay. And now this resistor all the way to the LDR sensor because the resistors help keep the power stable and not to overflow because it starts to cause a blast. So we need resistors to control the power of the LDR sensor. And anyways, now we are going to take one more jumper wire connected to the same pin as this resistor is in. You go like this and then all the way to this. And again, I'm repeating, it's not necessary for you to use all the same colors as me. You can do a different choice color like purple or anything else. So, okay, again, I'm asking everyone is with me because I don't really want anyone to be left behind. So, is everyone with me? Okay, then let's move on. Okay, so again, choose any jumper wire color and you can connect this to any of these two pins or any of the pins that do not contain these signs. I'll tell you later about what these pins do. So you connect it to this and all the way to this. Okay, so oh, we forgot one thing, the resistors. If you won't use the resistors, then let's just say a blast will happen. So let's rotate this and put it right here. Then we'll do this and all the way to this. Okay, let's check if everything is in place and order. And this is also here. Okay, I think the circuit is complete and now it's time for to do the code. Okay, and one more thing, as I mentioned earlier, you can do any custom colors for your wires, and but as well as you can also, it's not necessary for you to like do all the like all the tilted and curved steps like I did. You can also do it straightly or any way you like because it's not really necessary. Your circuit is still going to work. Okay, so sorry if I'm kind of annoying you, but has is everyone with me? Okay, and up till now the workshop, you if you have any confusion, then you can ask me in the Q&A session. But still, if does anyone have any problem till of the workshop till now? Okay, that's really great to hear. Then let's move on. Okay, to the code. You might be seeing this code, and what I want you all to do is to click on this and click on text. And if this message pops up, then you can continue. Okay. And here will be our code. So we can erase all this. Okay, so now there's a code and I will be sending you in Zoom chat and I will also be explaining you what the code is going to do. So here is the code and I'm going to be sending in Zoom chat so you can all see. Okay. Okay, so I have sent the code. You can copy it and then go back to Tinkercad and in this you can paste it like this. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I'm sending you the code once again. It's, I think, a little bit issuing. So, and in the chat. Okay, now it should be okay for everyone. So, again, let's go back to Tinkercad. And in our text, we will copy paste this right here. Okay, so has everyone done this? And is everyone with me? Is everyone with me? Okay, great. So now on to the code explanation. So in this code, the two main components are the bulb and the LDR sensor. First, we assign them to the pins of the Arduino board, which I just explained you. So, and then the LDR sensor is connected to A3 analog pin. You can see, sorry, A4, A4 analog pin. And then we have the bulb, which is connected to the digital pin 7. See, this is the terminal one, and it is connected all the way to digital pin number 7. So now the explanation, digital pins are used for components like the resistors and the light bulbs, and the sensors are used for the analog pins. Now here in void setup, we use the pin mode function to assign the components to whether they are supposed to be outputs or inputs. The LDR sensor is our input, which means we will give our input to the LDR sensor so that it can give us the desired output, which is the bulb. And we control the intensity of the light bulb through our LDR sensor. So now in void main, we have given the condition that if the LDR sensor's intensity goes above 500, then turn off the light bulb or else turn it on. So this is the code explanation. Hope you all understood. And okay, is everyone with me? And again, if you have any questions, you can write it down on a piece of paper and you can ask when it's time of the Q&A session. Okay, so is everyone with me? Should I move on? Okay, then let's move on. Okay, so now that we have done our code, our circuit is complete, and now everything is complete, you will see this button start simulation. You will click on that and it will start simulating. Okay, see, as you all can see, the LED bulb is right now on because it is right now evening or you can say nighttime. And when we move it towards the sun, it okay, there's a problem. Wait a second. Okay. Sorry. There's one mistake that we did. I just realized that we have given the variable LDR to the analog pin A3 and we are connected to A4. So sorry everyone. You can just erase that and turn it into A4. So you see these are really small like things and efforts you need to see in your code. Otherwise your code won't work. So sorry for this and let's just close that and now let's start our simulation. Okay, so you see right now the LED bulb is on and it is nighttime and evening right now. And when I turn it over here, it will turn off because it's like sunrise and or morning or afternoon. So this is the circuit and sorry everyone and I just wanted to tell you that see the photoresistor is sensing whether it is daytime or nighttime. When I move this here, it senses that it is turning nighttime and so it will turn on the light bulb. And once I move this towards the sunlight, the photoresistor senses that the bulb is going to be off because it is sunrise or morning. So this is the circuit and okay, so we have all done till here, I think. Everyone is with me, I think. Okay, so hopefully everyone is with me. And now, congratulations, you have made a circuit. for the first time. Or so yeah, you have made a circuit, and congratulations to everyone. Now let's move on. Okay, so these are the two secret slides that I will be only leaking out to those who fill the form. Otherwise, who don't fill the form will not be getting this slide. Okay, here comes the end of our workshop. I hope every one of you enjoyed this workshop. Okay, and now this is the Q&A session. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the chat or you can unmute your mic. So, does anyone have any questions? Also, the link in the form that I will be giving you to fulfill so that I can leak these two secret slides for you is actually the feedback form, and it's also called the evaluation form. And there you will be sending your feedbacks. So I will be sending the link to the group, and you can send the feedbacks to in the form. So again, I'm asking if anyone has any questions, please feel free to ask me. Okay, so I don't think anyone has any questions. So end of our this is the end of our workshop. It was really good and nice to see every one of you here in my workshop. And if you have any questions again, then you can do also send it to the WhatsApp group and I will be replying you. So thank you all again for conducting my workshop. And so Allah Hafiz. And we'll be ending the meeting now.